Hi there. This Lunar New Year is the year of the dragon. Did you know not all dragons are mythical? Because here in Australia, we have our very own dragon lizards, just like a thorny devil. Did you know that the thorny devil acts like a sponge to drink? So this Lunar New Year, why not join us in creating your own shadow puppet and theatre? All you will need is our printed template, a pair of scissors, tracing paper or baking paper, sticky tape or masking tape, straws, pens or icy pole sticks, a torch, a ruler and the large cereal box. We need to make the theatre. Very carefully, take apart the large cereal box. If you don't have a cereal box, you can use a shoebox or anything similar. Be careful not to destroy it. We'll need to put it back together later. Next, use your thumb to make a mark from the edge of the box to your thumb on all four sides. Connect the marks using a ruler. This will make a rectangle shape. If you're not confident using scissors, you can ask a grown-up for help. Cut the shape out. Cut through a corner first and then cut the rectangle out. Tape the corner back together. Use your tracing paper or baking paper, cut it to size, and tape it onto the side of the box with the print. Turn the box inside out and tape it together. Now it's puppet time. Today, we're going to make the frilled neck lizard. Use the template that you've downloaded and choose your Australian dragon. Cut out the head and the tail. Then measure up a 10 centimetre piece of paper for the body. Concertina fold it like this. This will give the dragon some movement. Now you have your dragon shape. Take your 2 straws, or if you don't have straws, you can use pencils, pens or icy pole sticks. And tape one to the head and one to the tail on the back of your character. All that is left to do is set up your play. Place your theatre box on a table and use a flashlight to light the back. You can explore where the flashlight goes and how far to place your puppets for different effects. Have fun putting on your play for your friends and family, and we hope that you have a happy and prosperous Lunar New Year. We look forward to seeing you at the Melbourne Museum soon.